Hi friends, welcome to Happy Heart. So you would have seen from the thumbnail picture that I am going to show you something related to meal planning. Yes, so I have prepared some special meals on Pongal festival. So in this video I am going to show you two things. One is how I have pre-planned for preparing these meals, and second thing is how I managed to do the vegetable stir fry recipes very quickly. So this is not only needed only for special meals, but you can make use of these ideas to even plan for your weekday meals. So come, let's get started. So for the special meals, I had made the following items. One is sambar. So for this I had cut the carrot, beans and broad beans into smaller pieces and kept in a container. And next I have peeled the garlic. So this is used for sambar as well as for rasam. So I have kept it together. And next this is boiled dal. So I have done it the previous day with some garlic and with some cumin. So this I have stored separately. So next I have cut the necessary vegetables to make stir fry. So one is I have cut the carrot into small pieces. And the next I have washed the lady's finger, dried that and then cut into small cubes, and I've kept it separately. And then next you will see drumstick. So this also I have cut into around 3-inch pieces and kept it in separate box. So next this is cluster beans. So I have fine chopped the cluster beans and kept it separately. So after this I am going to cut the brinjal. So that is also for stir fry. So I have planned for all these 5 stir fry recipes. So now I am going to show you how I have quickly made the stir fry recipes. So first take a pressure cooker and add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can even add a little lesser. So after this I am going to add the chopped lady's finger on top of that. Just spread that and add it. So make sure it is spread evenly. Next on top of that I am going to add some sambar powder just for the spices. Next I am adding a little salt on top of this. So now what I am going to do is I am going to close the cooker, keep the whistle and switch on the flame and keep it in high flame for 2 whistles. So once the 2 whistles are over, just release the pressure slowly and then open the pressure pan and you will get this beautiful roasted lady's finger. Just give it a mix and it's ready. So after lady's finger I am going to make a brinjal stir fry. So for this, just a difference, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water extra. I didn't add this for lady's finger because it will become sticky. So for this 1 tablespoon of water and then 2 tablespoons of oil, and on top of that I'm going to add the brinjal pieces and then sambar powder and little salt. So the same procedure, just close the cooker, keep the whistle on, keep in high flame and then wait for 2 whistles and then switch off the stove, release the pressure slowly and your stir fry is ready. When the brinjal is getting cooked, I am going to make lemon rasam. For this I have taken a mixer jar and I have added few pieces of garlic, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of coriander seeds, a teaspoon of pepper and then 1 tomato. So next I have done the cluster bean stir fry. So this is exactly similar to how we have done the brinjal. So this you are seeing after the stir fry is done. So I have opened the cooker and I am just adding a little grated coconut on top of it to enhance the taste. So just give it a mix and then you can take it out. Now the special thing is I have washed the cooker just before making the lady's finger stir fry. So after this, for all the stir fry I am using the same cooker without washing it. So in this way you're going to save a lot of time during your cooking. So next I'm going to make carrot stir fry in the same process. 1 tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of oil and then spread the carrot, required spices, close the cooker, keep the whistle on and keep in high flame, wait for 2 whistles, switch off, release the pressure and then it's ready. So meanwhile we have ground the paste for lemon rasam and then I've added it to a bowl. You can grind it coarsely. Next I'm gonna squeeze a half a lemon according to your taste, and I'm adding it to this mixture. One important thing which you should notice when you're releasing the pressure for the stir fry, don't release it all at once. Just pull the whistle a little and let the pressure release gradually. If you cannot do it with your fingers, then use a spoon to slightly pull the whistle, but don't do it all at once. So now if you see, I have released the pressure completely in a gradual way, and then I'm going to open the lid. So make sure you open it at your opposite end so that the steam doesn't hit on your face. So now your carrot stir fry is ready. So add water to the rasam mixture and keep it on stove to just get a little boil. Here you go. The Pongal special meals items are ready. This is lady's finger stir fry, brinjal stir fry, carrot stir fry, cluster bean stir fry, lemon rasam, drumstick stir fry. All these were ready in few minutes. This is sambar, sweet pongal, chilies, this is buttermilk, and some papads. So this is how our pongal meals look like.